Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to construct a line segment. This is the question we will solve to help us understand how to construct a line segment. Question: construct a line segment AB of length 6 cm. Start by drawing a straight line longer than 6 cm. Mark a point towards the left end of the line and label it A. Open the compass to 6 cm on the ruler, place it at point A, and mark point B towards the right end. Now use your ruler to confirm. This shows that you have successfully constructed a line segment of length 6 cm. Watch out for the next video on how to bisect a line segment. Now, let me inform you that our advanced student report card generator, created in Excel, is now available. You can download it through the link in the description section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.